most beautiful section of this house is the veranda, measuring 800 square feet, capturing the most breathtaking view of the ocean. The living room and dining area are open out, and measures about 500 square feet. The master bedroom can be accessed from the veranda, and has glass doors. Two-bedroom, two-bathroom ocean view house for sale. This house is located in Calibishie. Beautifully manicured, the yard bears fruit trees such as bananas, papaya, avocado, lemon, lime, orange and grapefruit, not to mention beautiful flowers. The property is about 400 yards from the ocean, and 140 feet above it. One other attractive feature on the outside is the pool, and the patio that surrounds it measures 500 square feet. Make this your dream home, you won't regret it. Contact us today.